People of Oredo West Constituency. Now me, una son, Honorable Christopher Ewere Okaiben. Where una son goes Edo State House of Assembly 4 years ago, may go represent una, may go be una voice to bring good development, infrastructural development and empowerment to our constituency. I thank all of una for una support for these last 4 years, for these past 4 years. And I look up to una again to give me una mandate again, make I go represent una for another 4 years. Una fit do one before, I know so una fit do one again. I beg all of una, I take God beg una, make una beg, call una friend, una papa, una mama, una children. Make una come out en mass on Saturday to give me una support. So that together we'll develop Oredo. We see all the good work where our governor they do, our vacancy governor. With una support, now we will feel make them achieve all the plans we get for Edo. And with a solid House of Assembly, we get many APC members, our dreams for Edo will come true. I beg una come Saturday, una come out en mass to support me once again so that I will be una voice for Edo State House of Assembly. By the grace of God, there are better days ahead of us where we will enjoy under this governor. By the grace of God, we see what APC don't do. More are yet to come. On that day, my picture not go there. I beg una, make una just look for that place where they get broom. Make una take una index finger, touch the ink small, just put them for the box. Make una not let them touch the line, so that may we not get plenty void votes as we don't see them now. Make una not use una thumb anymore. Use the index finger, softly put them there for the APC box. By that vote, you have given a vote for prosperity. Una don't give votes for empowerment. With your support, we'll take Edo, go the next level.